With over 300 companies reporting this week, which are the ones you should be watching? Believe it or not, it might be the industrials. Yes, the industrials for the first time, breaking out to that upside. I pulled some of the hot charts for the industrials, plus a few other names you might know and want to be watching. So let's get right to it. First one is one of those old industrials. It is Illinois Tool Works. I don't think I've covered this one before, but they do have this nice track record here. Yeah, we got the 3 misses back in 2013, but that's old history now. And it's been a beat every quarter. And as you can see in 2016 and then again in 2017, it's been off to the races. Shares are starting off real hot here in 2018 again, because this is the type of company that stock market's loving right now. Should get some tax benefits, and it's just in the industries that were ignored, but now they're not. So I'm going to be watching this one, Illinois Tool Works. Then we're going to get on the drug side, Abbott Labs. They've been real consistent for years here. As you can see, this is one of the few that has beaten every quarter for the last 5 years. That's not easy to do, but Abbott has managed to do it. Those shares really took off finally in 2017, breaking out of that trading range there, and they're still breaking out here going into 2018. So if you're interested in the drug side of things, this is definitely one to watch. Then we're going to get United Rentals, URI. Now, I'm pretty sure I talked about this last quarter. I own this in my own personal portfolio. You can see the one miss there in early 2016. But after that, it's managed to beat, and shares really beaten down, and energy decided to plunge because they do have about 5 or 6% of their revenue on the energy side. But you can see the recovery there, and as energy has recovered, so have the shares. They've really taken off because if we're going to get infrastructure, if the economy picks up, they are the largest rental equipment supplier in North America. So you can see the hotness there. If you're interested in what's going on in that part of the economy, definitely tune into this conference call. And then we're going to get Honeywell, H-O-N. I know I've talked about it in the past because of its beautiful chart. Just has that one miss also in early 2016. But after that, it's got the perfect record. I feel like this chart is kind of vindication for them, their revenge on General Electric, because they were kicked out of the Dow. GE never has been, and the charts are going 2 different directions here. So Honeywell, not so boring anymore, breaking out to those new highs here for over a year now. So this is definitely one people that like the industrials are going to be watching. And then I finish out with a chart that's not so great compared to the others, Starbucks. I also own this one in my own personal portfolio, and I know many of you do too. It only has that one miss in 2015, and so it's managed to beat, but yet those shares are still stuck here in this narrow trading range. While everything else is going up, 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 Starbucks is going nowhere, basically. So I'm waiting to see if we're finally going to get that breakout. It tried to get there in 2017, as you can see, but didn't make it, and looks like it may be attempting it again. So if you're interested in the restaurant side, this is one of the first bigger names on the restaurants to report. And you're going to want to tune in to find out what they did for the holiday season. You know, they always have that great gift card announcement of how many millions of gift cards they sold. So that's definitely something to watch. So as you can see, there's a lot of interesting companies reporting this week. We're getting a lot of big names, a lot of favorites by investors. So things are really going to be happening. If you're interested in the options plays on any of these, be sure to tune in on Zacks Live Trader. It's its own separate channel over there on YouTube. It's free now, so go to Zacks Live Trader. See Dave over there with the options plays. He's going to be hitting a lot of these hotter names, the glamour ones, but some of these large caps might make it on there too. So be sure to tune in, Zacks Live Trader, and be sure to tune in here at Zacks on YouTube for all of our earnings updates, because we're going to have them every week here as earnings season rolls on. So be sure to tune in.